Okay, here's the forward progress. I removed the paint up to the belt line. I ground down all the pins on the belt line. I'm not going to be using any trim back there. And here's what I'm left with. You see a patch that was done a while ago. Up here, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. I'm actually going to be cutting this out, and that actually extends almost about 14 inches underneath. So I've made some reference lines. The top of the wheel well opening is about 9 3/4 of an inch from the style line. And I've got these, which came with the car, these replacement patch panels, which are kind of garbage. The tops of them don't match the contour at all at the quarter. I'm going to basically cut a huge chunk off of the back and the front of these, where that blue line extends all the way to top and bottom. Make the piece a little easier to manage. And then I'm going to fit it on there. The plan is to cut an arch out of here, just beyond where that brazing was done. And probably we'll do the lower part separately. We'll see when I cut that out how bad it actually is. But before anything gets obviously welded in, I have to take care of all the inside of this crust. This is gone in here. So I have to fabricate all those inner wheel well pieces. And I'm hoping that the wheel well up here is not too bad. But if it is, I'll have to fabricate that as well. So I got my work cut out for me. Just wanted to give everyone an update what's going on. Same on the other side for the most part. It's virtually the same exact scenario. So I'll be taking care of that as well. With the patch panel that's in the corner up there. So I'm just happy that it's not as bad as I thought it was. And I don't have to remove too much of the original sheet metal. I shouldn't say that. Not as much as I was worried I was going to have to remove. But yeah, it was repaired, I don't know how many years ago I'd say, but you see a lot of spot welds in there and a lot of brazing. They kind of just made their wheel well arch there. So again, the most crucial measurement I think is this one. Although, you know, the lip has to be able to tack weld to the actual inner structure. So I think this piece will be good. I think this will work and make it more manageable. There's a couple dents where the wheel well flares into the body line down there. That'll be easier to work out when this whole piece is together, because right now it just flops around in the breeze. So I'm going to make it a little more manageable by removing those heavier sections in the front and back, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I cut down the quarter patches just to make them a little more reasonable. And what I'm going to do next is to actually cut away the original sheet metal. I'm going to try to leave just a little bit more on the edge of it, because my plan is to use a little stepper tool to make a shelf so the replacement metal just fits right over that. It'll give me I think it'll give me a stronger body, and I don't have to worry about it crinkling as bad, because I'm pretty confident that this metal, it's not bad at all, but it's I don't think it's probably as thick as the original. I could be wrong. We'll find out when I cut it out. But right now the body line is almost there. The problem, of course, is the flare is still on the body itself. So I'm going to cut that away, and then we'll do a couple dry fitting first, and then I will actually cut out this pattern to fit again within the cut that I'm making with the little shelf. So it'll give it somewhere to rest. I'll do some spot welds as well from this to the original sheet metal. And yeah, I got to make the whole inside structure first, but I'm going to cut that out and we'll take it from there. So I'll save that for the next video, because I have to call it quits right now. Thanks a lot for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to the channel for notifications on this project's progress and other how-to videos. Thanks!